Have you ever wondered what the real secret to satisfying a woman is? Throughout history, female pleasure has been an enigma for many men, and even today many don't know where to start. Understanding female pleasure is a skill that can completely transform a couple's intimate life, creating deeper and more satisfying connections. In this video, we'll explore the insights that only the most experienced men have achieved. Those who understand that pleasing a woman isn't just about techniques, but about connecting on a deeper level. Before you get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel, where we share relationship and intimacy tips and advice for people over 50, helping you build a fuller, more loving life. If you've always wanted to know how to satisfy your partner, how to create an environment of intimacy that really works, or what small changes can make a big difference, stay with us. Today, we will discover together the keys to improving intimate life based on understanding the female body, the psychology of attraction, and how small gestures can work wonders. Female pleasure is incredibly complex and multifaceted. While some men believe it is just about technical skills, the truth is that a woman's satisfaction encompasses much more. For example, the famous G-spot, much discussed in intimacy, not only varies in sensitivity between women, but also in its location. Not all experience it in the same way, and in some cases it can be harder to find. This means that you cannot assume that what worked for a previous partner will be the same with another. Another underrated aspect is the neck, a very powerful erogenous zone for more than 99% of women, according to studies. Even a small percentage of women, around 1%, can climax with nipple stimulation alone. This diversity in physical responses shows that each woman is unique, and what generates pleasure in one may not work for another. Sexual fantasies are also an interesting topic. Both men and women share the fantasy of oral intimacy, but few know that a female climax can last anywhere from 3 to 51 seconds. This variability reflects that no two experiences are the same, and that each intimate moment depends on factors such as prior arousal, emotional state, and physical stimulation. Speaking of oral intimacy, one of the most frequently asked questions among men is how to do it right. Although every woman is unique, some principles can serve as a guide. The most important thing is to go slowly. The clitoris, with around 8,000 nerve endings, is one of the most sensitive areas of the female body. Gentle movements at first, gradually increasing in intensity, can be very pleasurable. Techniques such as licking, sucking, or making circular movements are popular, but the essential thing is communication. Ask what she likes and adjust your approach according to her response. Although penetration is often considered the main path to female climax, only 18% of women achieve orgasm exclusively in this way. Furthermore, approximately 30% of women report that they do not achieve it regularly, and 1 in 10 have never experienced one. These data underline the importance of exploring other forms of pleasure and stimulation. The myth that deep penetration is the best technique should also be put to rest. Many women prefer shallower penetrations, as these can better stimulate the G-spot and other sensitive areas. The key here is not to assume, but to ask and adapt to what your partner prefers. Intimate relationships in stable couples tend to be more satisfying than casual encounters, as trust and emotional security play a crucial role in the physical connection. In addition, small gestures such as hugs, caresses, or simply being together after sex can be as important as the relationship itself, reinforcing the emotional bond. Talking openly about fantasies and desires is a great way to deepen the connection with your partner. Exploring these fantasies together is not only exciting, but can also reveal hidden aspects of both of your sexualities, taking the relationship to a richer and more satisfying level. Confidence and self-esteem are much more attractive than a perfect physique. Paying attention to sensitive areas such as the clitoris and breasts, keeping your beard well groomed to avoid discomfort, and being physically fit are all factors that contribute to a more pleasurable, intimate life. Remember that regular physical activity not only improves well-being, but also energy and confidence, key elements for a satisfying sex life. Finally, remember that there is no one-size-fits-all formula to please every woman. Respect, communication, and patience are essential. From gentle neck caresses to heart-to-heart conversations about fantasies, intimacy is all about exploring together and adapting to your partner's needs. Don't underestimate the power of a deep emotional connection. This can be the key to a fully satisfying, intimate relationship. We hope this video has provided you with a deeper, more practical understanding of how to improve intimacy with your partner. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.